Last week, as you recall,
Alright, so we're going to run the engine again. I'm going to play with the timing light a little bit, but let me show you what I was trying to find. Hold on just a minute. Alright, let's see how, see if it shows up. It's in my pocket. I don't know, this is coming out kind of blurry, but on the flywheel it says 32 degrees. So anyway, so we're going to start it, and I'm going to play with the timing light, see if I can find that. Hey folks, down here at the hangar, a new week started, and as of this morning I just passed 1,000 subscribers. I want to thank everybody that watches my channel, and like I said last week, I hope you keep watching and see what we do to get this warbird in the air. But moving on, we're getting ready to paint parts. I just wanted to showcase a little bit of the fabrication skills that Jan brings to the table with this airplane. Let me turn this around. So this is a part that's getting ready to paint, and this is a closeout panel for behind the pilot seat, and there's going to be 2 over voltage regulators that go here and here. Well, this was made up to house those, but in addition to that, this is all the stuff that Jan created to make this, and it goes in concert with a bunch of other parts that go in the back there. And sometimes his skills just amaze me, and I just wanted to showcase that a little bit. It's a short video this week. Trying to get things ready to paint. Let me turn this around. About got everything wiped down, hung up. Got some parts to strip out of the nacelle end caps, and then we're just waiting for paint. So hopefully this all happens this afternoon. I took the parts in for plating earlier in the week. They're supposed to be back here week after next. We'll see, and hopefully we can actually show some progress that you can see. So stand by. And I just wanted to show you a little of the I just wanted to show you a little bit of the skills that Jan puts forth when he's making things. He's wanted to show you a little bit about the things that I just wanted to show off